that being said, we're about to pop this door open and we are gonna see what is in this unit and if it belonged to the Michael Jackson. We found these beautiful gold and emerald earring and rings. Michael Jackson, the legend continues. This will be the moment we've really been waiting for here. Could this be Michael Jackson's photos? Oh, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages. It has been a lovely morning so far. Left my key at home for my storage, too far to drive back, waiting for somebody to come cut my lock off. Uncle Michael, as you just saw or about to see, tried to take a tire off without putting the car on a jack. And then he just ran over the hubcap. I'm about to show you that too. Been a lovely morning, just trying to get things going and wrapped up so we can go to the flea market on Monday and I can head off to the city with the fam and we can have a hangout day. And the universe is like... Ladies and gentlemen, this is Uncle Michael trying to change hubcaps. He took all of them off and the car's about to fall on the ground.
Come on.
Come on, what?
Don't call me out like that.
Poor Uncle Michael.
You did get the washer off though, right?
It's about to fall, look at it.
Oh, I can tighten it back in. I can push it in. Do the top one.
This is where Uncle Michael's fan club's gonna be like, Uncle Michael's the strongest man in the world. He'll lift the car up. Oh, great. Great, ladies and gentlemen. He is trying to take off another tire. This is bad. And that's the one he smashed, ladies and gentlemen. What, are you gonna take it back? What? What, you don't want nobody to know you ran over a hubcap?
Oh, the hubcap.
We already showed him that you broke the thing off.
That's my strength.
Your strength, he said. No, it's because you took a tire off without... Where'd Scott go? Thanks to that fine young gentleman who came in, got me in my storage unit. Now we're loading. Uncle Michael's gonna show you his skills. We're getting everything ready to go. And we are done, wrapped up for the next flea market. That's a day. Sunday morning, rain's coming soon. Everyone in the house is asleep, and I can't sleep in. I wake up early no matter what, so I figure I'm gonna come out here and try to pick, see if I can find something. Let's see if we can make some money on eBay this morning. Of course, on a day like this, one crooked old man is here. Ladies and gentlemen, a crooked old man.
Hi, a crooked old man.
A crooked old man. What is this? Your twin brother?
That's my guardian. I heard you were here.
You did not hear that I was here.
I did hear you.
What are you doing here? I woke up and said I have nothing better to do but come out to Concord and lose money.
How much can you
selling $3 items.
How much can you lose?
Your time.
Your holy
Time is
investment.
priceless. You don't realize that?
It's 25. I do realize that.
What's your shirt say?
Huh?
Allergic to mornings.
That's me.
Harold is probably going to tell you guys this is 1843. No, longer than that. This is 600 years old. Harold, what year is this? Come on, lie to us.
1812.
I told you guys.
Made in Toledo, Spain, in the year of our Lord, 1987 about.
1987? Look, he's got wooden legs. He's got the same exact legs Uncle Michael has. This man walks up right here and says that Harold is the man and everybody else is a pussy. Because he's the only one selling today.
$10.
I spent 200.
On what? Look at the market today, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're dealing with. When shopping the flea market, you always want to think everybody crowding around one person could be where all this stuff is. So let's go see. Sweet baby Jeebus. We went through all this on our live, but it wouldn't get a good video, so I want to go ahead and show everybody in a close-up in case you missed the live. But we found these beautiful gold and emerald earring and rings. We found this beautiful gold and emerald. We found a 14 carats rings. We found some silver. Got a lot of silver, actually. That is gold. These are gold. This is gold. And this is potential gold. And then we have all sorts of silver here. inside of this one jewelry box. When I bought the 40 pallets, this I saw in a tote. They let you kind of open things and peek. I looked at that and that told me everything I needed to know. I wanted this. They wanted $2,000 for the entire pallets, and that's what made me open it up, and no one else wanted to bid against me. I was willing to go 4,000 probably on those 20 pallets, but no one wanted to bid. But nonetheless, this will get me back a large chunk of that 2,000 I spent. I already sold the fridge for 600. This is well over 600 here in my eyes because this is nice. Might not even sell it, might just keep it. But nonetheless, want to give you guys a little better preview look. Silver, silver, silver. These are cool. I thought this was the highlight here. These are amber sets here. A lot of people like amber. I got a heart. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages. We are here at the flea market. It is a little after 7 in the morning, running behind. And I'm in a fussy little mood today. We just did a video recently where I hired back the Salt Princess because she has been out of pocket, not showing up to work, putting other priorities first. And once again, with only 1 day back in Pirate Inc., she has created the same situation. So as a parent, sometimes you have to do things in life that you don't want to. You have to make decisions that you don't want to be part of, but you have no other choice, because if it's not, you are enabling the downfall of such things like your child think everything's all good. You just show up to work when you want to. We got this world famous YouTuber over here. This man hit 100,000 subs in under 4 months. Phenomenal right there. We're officially set up. It's just about 8 o'clock. And you'll see all these great things from the storage units that we have pulled out. We got them out here today, Monday morning. Couch set, dresser set, furniture set, nice set. We're selling this man right here for 50 bucks. We got all sorts of stuff, brand new air conditioner, all sorts of beautiful table items from all the fine storage units we've had recently. It's time to clear. We are liquidating our entire inventory. Remember this $100 storage unit over a year ago? I bought. Scott helped me root it. You guys got upset with his ability to look in a box in his first appearance in 5 years. Tired of it. I've actually been having this for over a year. Traded this recently. I'm done for today.
What you got there?
This is what's left for the guys. They're gonna have to give that away. I don't even want to load up and move one more time. I had to put the mattress in bed. I had to keep that because I couldn't just let it go. And we are done.
Okay, ready?
Look at this.
That's the small bills.
Look, he tried to keep them all square. Oh my.
Wait. Look at this one.
Oh, look at that.
Okay.
You got hundreds in there?
Uh-huh.
Oh, someone might have broke their record today.
I think so.
Let's count this up. Not as much as I want to, but there's about 850 total dollars here. So that's better than a sharp stick in the eye for a Monday and a crap load. I actually stand corrected, ladies, but here's what Tony sold, right? But I forgot. I had another pocket of money of my own sitting here. How much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 320, 30, 40. So actually, I end up with over $1,000 after this. That's not bad, because I totally forgot that I had sales. I just let them do all the work so I can take care of YouTube stuff, videos, etc., etc. So now I'm a little happy to walk away with $1,000 on a Monday. Hustle, grind, and wine. Now everywhere people are doing the dollars, so you see just dollar sales everywhere. That's why I like to get up in Andy. All right, if you guys remember, very specifically last week or so, I told you I went to an auction and there was Michael Jackson's storage unit. It was in the lien notices in the paper. It's obvious to see. And well, I am a man of fairy tale mentality. The only thing my brain can think that this is the long lost storage unit belonging to the Michael Jackson. So I was gonna buy it without a shadow of a doubt, no matter what happened, for that reason and that reason only, because I'm a man of probability to belief. I have faith in myself and the fact that it could be. Always believe it could be. With that being said, we're about to pop this door open and we are gonna see what is in this unit and if it belonged to the Michael Jackson. All right, let's see. We already got the lock-off trucks ready to go. What is in 215? What is this unit all about? Could it be Michael Jackson's storage unit? I don't know. The level of dust and cobwebs in here automatically carbon date this as being at least sitting here for 10 years. This is marked China cabinet. Rat poop everywhere. What is inside of it? All right. This is not looking like Michael Jackson's unit. Unless Michael Jackson had a bunch of stuff that was not really that cool. China cabinet glass. That is not China cabinet glass. Huh. Yeah, we have a China cabinet. Is there anything in the China cabinet? Come on. No. No. Huh. This is not looking like one of your best buys, Michael. Made in Thailand. Cheap bowls. Okay. Nice. Sherwood. Okay. Those don't seem like very expensive brands. Sherwood S450 CP, S2660 CP. I don't think those are very high value. A printer. All right. And more music equipment. A Sony VCR. And a Sony VCR. This is not looking good so far. And we got an Epson printer in the box and an empty box. Oh, pirate, what did you do? All right. Well, this sucks. We got an 8 crate. All right. A blanket in a China cabinet glass. Somebody clickbaited me here. This is what I get. That's what I get for being hopeful. I get clickbaited. This is an absolute first. I think I'll be taking every single item to the dumps in this storage. We're about to see if there's something salvageable in this one box of laser discs. Hold on. Predator 2. Maybe. I'm in a hurry. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to meet Harold real quick. We'll look through that, finish looking through that box of thingamajiggers that we just looking. What are they called? Laser discs. And then we will come back in the morning at the last piece of furniture and glass of Uncle Michael, because I could use a little help. And so much going on. I'm kind of just frustrated. I'm going to take a break here. This is the first time I bought a storage unit in a long time where everything went right to the dumps. But that's the way the storage business is. If you remember on that day of the auction, I bought the single best unit, which made a lot of money. And now I've also bought the single worst unit of the day. I'll get Uncle Michael to help me load these 2 pieces in the truck. We'll probably take this to Stockton if it's not too dirty, because we can get rid of it there without spending $35 at the dumps. And my buddy drives by from his unit, and he says the cops are here checking out this guy's unit. And I'm thinking to myself, what kind of cops are these? Are they really cops checking out this person's unit? That they are. Detectives. Undercover cop cars. All right, we moved locations. Now, does this mean it was Michael Jackson's storage unit? I don't think so, but nonetheless, we have now manifested Michael Jackson, the 5 Heartbeats. Jason's Lyrics, great movie. Scarface on Laserdisc. Home Alone, ah! Friday the 13th. This might be a few bucks. Species. Schwarzenegger Total Recall. Aliens. Michael Jackson, the legend continues. Did we find Michael Jackson's storage unit? I don't know. Hunter's Blood. That could be a good one. Shout out to you, Robin Williams and Jumanji. Die Hard. One of the best Christmas movies ever. Haha, New Jack City. Stallone and Snipes. Val Kilmer. Coming to America. One of the best movies. That movie right there. That's a classic. Eddie Murphy, Boomerang. We're seeing, Terminator 2. John Connor. Fatal Attraction. Watch out for those. E.T. did phone home. Sleeping with the Enemy. Yeah. People Under the Stars. Stargate. The Exorcist. Jungle Fever. Bullies. We hate bullies. The Candyman Can. The Babysitter. RoboCop. All right. And then we have a box marked pictures. Let's see what this says. Could this be Michael Jackson's photos? This will be the moment we've really been waiting for here. Could this be Michael Jackson's photos? Nope. No. No. I'm gonna think it's safe to say that this was not Michael Jackson's storage. Wow. We're getting rid of stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Look at we loaded Harold's car down. Harold's car is stuffed with stuff.
Hi. That's where the money's at, man. That's
All this stuff. It's time to clear off the eBay shelves. We're gonna let Harold deal with it. He's gonna split it with us. I'm tired. It's time to alleviate. Look at posters. This Green Day poster's been sitting in my area for 2 years. This right here, been sitting here since the TV execing. All this stuff. It's time to go. Whoo! I hope everybody had a good holiday. New Year's coming up, or it's about to be. At the end of this video, it'll be like tonight's New Year's and Christmas. With that being said, I had a little Christmas tree contest. These are all the photos of everybody who wanted to play along with me. If you can kindly just vote right now, just type in a number. I think that tree was the best, and roll with that. I'll put a number with each picture of the Christmas tree. Shout out to everybody who sent me a photo. Awesome Christmas spirit. I love y'all. 2019 is a wrap, and I'm ready for 2020. I've set my goals so high. I hope all y'all do the same. You might not meet your goals when you set them too high, but the ability is when you set them so freaking high, just getting halfway there is good enough. And that's what I like. It's just forward motion. Love y'all. Blessings. Vote for the trees. I love y'all.